Peter is a successful manager. He raised last year's revenues by 17%. Monica meets 7 new clients today, thanks to a smart digital marketing campaign. Their success and story are no secrets. They have a great and economical solution to communicate and develop their business. They are using Semeion Campaigns, and so can you. Communicate using the most appropriate channels, such as paper, emails, SMS, WhatsApp, our call center, and e-post, the new virtual mailbox by Swiss Post. Generate new leads by promoting your services on social networks, such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You can simply increase revenues by cross-selling services to your existing clients and converting your leads to the new ones. Are you interested? Start by registering at Semeion Campaigns website. Easily import your addresses or sync them from your CRM or ERP using our bidirectional seamless API. Once set up, you can design new outstanding campaigns to communicate with your current or potential clients. Select the most efficient channels for your campaigns using our cloud solutions and follow the impact of your campaigns using landing page statistics and analytics anytime, anywhere. You will benefit from a boundless digitalization and automation of all your core business processes to process all requests quickly and professionally. More business is just a click away. Save money, generate more revenues, and build your success now. Go digital by using the latest cloud and mobile technologies with Semeion Campaigns by Meninx and our partners.